Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about PayPal. And if this is your first time on my channel, please give me a like and subscribe and make sure to turn on your notifications. And this channel is all about stock and crypto analysis. And today I'm going to talk about PayPal. The main reason that I'm going to talk about PayPal because PayPal is sitting at $100 right now at a strong support level. And its all-time high was $300. PayPal has dropped significantly from 60 to 70% from its all-time high, just like all the other tech stocks. And this one might be a really strong company that you would not want to miss out. And today, I'm going to go over the technical analysis, the target price, and the investor presentations, and see what the company is going forward in the future. And now let's take a look at the technical analysis right here real quick. So when you see the chart right here that PayPal, it was a falling knife from $300. Right now, it looks like it's set a temporary bottom at $100. But with this strong selling volume, it definitely could break that $100, right? Based on the wars going on, the inflations and all those problems coming up, and especially in March, it's gonna be another Fed meeting. So that's also another macro factor that it can that can drive the stock market down, right? There's so many volatilities there. But when you're looking at the chart right here, that the RSI actually is way oversold, right? And the MACD is showing that right now is a good time to store a position, right? But potentially that since there's a lot of selling volume recently and you want it to consolidate around the $100, make sure that it has a strong support level at $100 before you add a position, right? Right now let's wait a little bit and see before it confirmed that the $100 is a strong level based on the technical analysis right here. Okay, sometimes that you do not want to catch the falling knife, it could fall even further, right? But overall, let's look at the target price. There's 37 Wall Street analysts are giving an average target price of this PayPal company of $184, which is from this current price $100, it gives you an 84% upside. So just for example, if you get it in this price, you would have 84% of upside in a year or so, right? It could potentially fall even further based on the macro, based on the overall market is going, right? The war, inflations, and the Fed meeting, right? So I would want to see that $100 support even stronger before you consider in the short term, the volatility, right? What price that you should get in. Let's look at the investor presentation, then their financials, fundamentals. In the long term, like 5 years, how this stock gonna perform. As a short-term analysis, we look at the chart and see what price that you should get in. But in the long term, it doesn't really matter, right? In long term, this $100 price might be too cheap, right? But let's look at the numbers, look at the potential of what they have. Okay, let's look at their performance real quick for 2021 summary. They have 426 million users active user accounts, which is increased 13% year to year. And customer engagements 45.4, which is increased 11% year to year. And the total payment volume is 1.25 trillion, and which is 33% growth. The revenue they're sitting at $25 billion, which is 18% increase year to year. This is a huge number. This is a great revenue number. $25 billion on this company, right? And the non-GAAP EPS is $4.60, which is 19% increase year to year. And the cash flow is $5.4 billion. It's 9% increase year to year. They have some really good number on the free cash flow, and they have some really good number on revenue. And let's look at the products and what they launched in 2021. And they launched a new digital wallet globally, which is called Venmo, right? So Venmo is one of the platform that they launched to accept credit cards and cryptos, for businesses, right? Okay, PayPal digital wallet. So this is the main reason that I see this company is undervalued. Okay, this is the main reason that why the analyst is thinking about PayPal, it could be going above $180. Okay, right now we at the stage that we don't use paper money anymore. Everybody is going to digital wallet. Crypto, look at this. They have 40% of first-time users are from crypto users. So crypto market have been very hot, right? You look at Robinhood. Robinhood increased a lot of first-time users from using cryptocurrencies, trading cryptocurrency on their app. So same thing with PayPal. PayPal have 40% of first-time users for cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrency is the future. So PayPal have this digital wallet that is connected with cryptocurrency, and it has a lot of potentials. And also when you see 70% of merchant leads from the shopping using this from this digital wallet. PayPal in the future is going to grow this digital wallets even bigger. So even getting more revenue from this digital wallet, right? This is a great potential that they have. And you look at PayPal is the most accepted digital wallet compared to Apple Pay. PayPal has 76% overall on the online retails of North America and Europe. Apple Pay only has 27%, and Amazon Pay only have 15%, and Google Pay only have 13%. PayPal is dominating this digital wallet in North Americas and Europe by a lot, right? And even Affirm's only at 9%. So PayPal definitely is a huge leader in this digital wallet space, right? And also you look at the recent partnership and the expansion they have right now, right? You know, this year. And they just partner up with DoorDash, right? Roku and Adobe, you know, Salesforce, and those are the public traded company and big companies, right? They keep partnering up with great companies that's going to generate more revenue. And over here you look at the expanding globally, right? 7.9 billion transaction volume, 50 million and 12.1 million unique consumer accounts, right? Like 1.2 million merchants with PayPal transactions, right? And they continually having those like footprints globally. PayPal actually expanding globally, not just in the US anymore, right? They want to dominate the whole global market, right? And also when you look at the active accounts, it's 426 million active accounts. This is a huge number. And they added 4.9 million merchant accounts in the year of 2021, and they're growing 15 to 13% on Q3 and Q4 2021 year-to-year growth, which is that's still looking pretty good. At least they're still growing. Even the e-commerce business slowing down after people going back to normal. And also when you look at their revenue, they're growing 18%, right? And 25% excluding eBay, right? So their revenue is still growing in the double-digit numbers, right? Okay, guys, after we finish looking at this investor presentations, like let's conclude this. So PayPal is actually in a good spot on the digital wallet. And they definitely are the top leaders on digital wallet. Digital wallet is going to be the future for crypto, for online payments, for credit card, for everything, right? So everybody's going to transfer their paper money into using digital wallet. You're not going to see people carrying cash anymore. People are going to have digital wallets. And also when you look at revenues and cash flows and you look at the active users, and PayPal is doing a very good job. They're still growing double digits. And make sure to do your own due diligence, you know, and put it on your watch list. And this might be a golden stock for you for the long term on your portfolios. You know, and I hope this video helps you. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notifications for the next video. Thank you, guys.